Let's start building this project. So create a folder and open it in the VS Code. So for this LLM project, you will need OpenAI API key. So make sure you have that and store it in the .env file. So we will save it as OpenAI API key equal to your production actual key. You can get that using OpenAI API. So search for the OpenAI API and you will get that. And make sure you have Python installed on a system. Otherwise you can go to python.org downloads and download from it here. And I just opened this blank app in the VS Code, and let's open the terminal from here. Okay, now before installing anything, I think we need to create environment. So python 3-m venv. This will create a virtual environment, and then we can activate it. Source /bin/activate. Okay, so you can verify it from here like it is activated, and then we can install packages. But instead of installing it one by one, what we can do is create requirements.txt, and inside this we will list all the packages and then install all of them in one go. So first we will need Flask, then OpenAI obviously, and then Python .env. So we will load our OpenAI key into our main Python file, and then SQL alchemy, and then we also need Cypod binary and PyMySQL and cryptography. Okay, let's save this and let's install it using pip install -r requirements.txt, and this should download and install everything. Okay, but so I think this package is, see, spelling mistake. Okay, let's save it and install it again. So it will take some time. Till then we can create a folder structure. So first we will need templates, and inside this we will create files, index.html. This will be our main file, and then we will also need query.html, and we will need results.html, and in the root directory we will create app.py. Okay, so if I tell you about overall working flow of this app, so let me expand the templates folder first. So initially we will load this, and then we will give option to enter the connection details to the user. So user will select that this is Postgres database, and he will enter like username and password and then localhost value, right? And then we can connect to the database. Then we will show query page, and here user can enter like show me users data, and then using the app.py Python script we will transform that natural language query into the SQL query. And but how we will do that? We will provide the schema and the user query to the OpenAI, and then it will process and generate the SQL query. And then once we get the SQL query, we will execute on the database that the connection user provided. So we will connect using that, and we will execute that query on the database. And once we get the results, we will show them on the results.html. So that's how the flow will work.